How to delete Binance account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete Binance account permanently. In order to delete your Binance account permanently, all you need to do is follow the steps. So first thing is you need to go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Make sure that the account is verified. Once you're logged in, click the Binance icon from the top left hand side corner, and right on this page you need to go and select your account info or your username, and under it you can see this option as security. Go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, you'll be provided with a lot of options. So right on this page you need to go to account activity. Right on this page you need to go ahead and select manage account, located right at the bottom, and right on this page you'll be able to see disable account and delete account. So there's a difference between disabling your account as well as deleting your account. You can go through it and click on delete account. Since you're deleting your account, you have to give a reason for deleting your account and click the continue button. Now moving on to the next procedure, you have terms and conditions. So accept the terms and condition, and accordingly you'll be notified that you go through all these, and if you agree to the terms, click on delete account. As you do that, you will be notified that your account has been permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Binance account permanently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.